Hey folks, Jerry Pierce here, and in this video I am showing you right now the exact model for getting my sites to the top of Google, and this is my exact linking structure of what I'm doing right now, and this is what's working right now even with the last Penguin 2.0 update that just happened a week or so ago. Literally my sites were untouched with this update outside of actually moving up in the search results, so I was very happy about the Penguin update. Now, what you're looking at here is a multiple tiered linking, and I'm going to show you how I'm doing this, and I'm going to show you the software that I'm using to pull this off. And I've got a very special offer if you decide that this software is something that's that you're looking for. Now, this is it's May 31st, and this is only going to be available for a very limited time. You can see the countdown timer above. So once the countdown timer hits to 0, then obviously the offer is no longer available. So what you have here is first of all, you got your money site. This is the site that you're trying to get ranked. This can be like an affiliate review site, or if you're trying to rank for like a big money keyword, this is the site that you're trying to get ranked. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking and I've got a combination of age domains as well as Web 2.0 and social network sites that include blogs, hubs, and wikis that are linking to my money site. So we got these tier ones, which again, they include age domains, they got blogs, bookmarking sites, Web 2.0 sites, social network sites, press release sites. This is a good combination of a variety of different types of sites. So you got this as your tier one that's linking to my money site, okay? And then you've got this set of tier 2. So we're basically here with this tier 2 and tier 3, we're basically backlinking our backlinks. And what we're doing is we're linking in tiers, okay? So this is what's working really well for me right now. And if you were to go and have to do this manually, there's no way you could pull this off. There's no way you could pull it off and be in multiple niches and be able to stay sane. So there's a tool that I've been using for the last several months. It's called Magic Submitter. I'm going to pull it up real quick. And Magic Submitter will automatically create accounts for you on all of these different service types. So you see you've got article directories, you've got bookmarking services, you've got blogs, you've got video sites, you've got profile links, you've got PR sites, WordPress blogs, micro blogs, StatusNet blogs, PDF sharing sites, blog platforms, Plig bookmarks, guest bookmarks, link directories, wikis, Web 2.0s, citations, PR8 profiles, and then Squidoo lenses. As you can see, this has a large variety of services that Magic Submitter will go in and automatically create an account. So basically, what happens is you go in here and you create a profile, and Magic Submitter will even generate the profile for you. Let me just show you how this works real quick. All you have to do is just create profile, and you basically give it a profile name, and you want to keep everything separate by projects. So you create a project, and then you'll create profiles underneath that project. But once you click this little fill profile button, this will automatically go out and it will automatically create, or it will download a pre-created email account for you, and it will automatically populate all of this information right here. So I'm just going to do that real quick. I'm just going to click OK, and you can see this is going to go out and it's going to create an email account for me, and then when it gets done, it's going to automatically populate all of this data, okay? And then once you create this email account, then you can turn around and go in and create accounts on all of these different service types that I just showed you. So this takes just a second here to run, so I'm going to pause the video and then I'll be right back. Okay, so you can see here that this automatically created our profile, and we've got our email information right here. All you have to do then is fill out your website URL. Usually I just fill in something like google.com right here. And the reason I'm not filling in my actual site, I'll show you that here in just a second. Then you fill in your company name, and then you fill in your description. and you click test connection, and this is going to go out and it's going to let you know it connected successfully. So you click OK, then you click save. Okay, now you'll see right here there's none of these accounts have been created right here on this right hand side. So what you can do is you can go in here, and let me just show you all these service types. You see you got bookmarking. If you're wanting to do bookmarking, this comes with several bookmarks already plugged into the service. You got blogs. I mean, look at this. This is going to generate massive amounts of backlinks. And then you got video sharing sites. Look at this. All these video sharing sites. You've got WordPress blogs. These are WordPress blogs where you can submit your articles to. And this is what I'm using. And again, one of the reasons why I was untouched was obviously because I varied my anchor text. What I was linking to my money site, I varied that. I had a very good variation for that. But also because I was getting a broad mixture of links from all different types and all different sources. That's what makes this thing work, and that's why Magic Submitter works so well. So you can go in here and you can click this little button right here, and you can just pick which service types you want. So you want video, you want PR sites, whatever it is that you want, and you click run now, and this is going to go in and it's going to automatically create accounts for all of these different service types. It's going to go in and register the accounts, and then it's going to go in and it's going to check the emails and click the verification link, so you don't have to do any of that stuff. So in a matter of minutes, you can create literally hundreds of accounts pretty much on autopilot. And there's a way you can go in here to options, and you can obviously set to where you can set your CAPTCHA up to where there's a service that will solve the CAPTCHAs for you. This is the most awesome tool that I've used, hands down. And I've used a lot of SEO tools. I was a huge advocate for SE Nuke for a long time, but Magic Submitter is hands down the best software on the planet that I've found. And the cool thing is these campaigns. So basically, this is where this comes in handy with these multiple tiers, is you can do this by using campaigns. So all of these tiers that you're seeing right here, this is all done automatically within Magic Submitter, all because I'm setting up this campaign to run, and I can set it over 10 days, 14 days, 30 days, ever how long that I want to. And I can there's multiple campaigns that you can pick within Magic Submitter. I have my own custom campaign template that I'm using. Let me just show you how this works. And that's one of the bonuses that you're going to get as part of this promotion that I'm doing, is if you take action with Magic Submitter before the clock strikes 0, then you'll actually get my very own campaign template that you can load into Magic Submitter for yourself. There's some other bonuses that I'll talk about here in just a second, but I want to show you how this works. So you go to Campaign Wizard. This thing walks you step by step of the way. So I'm just going to type in test here. We're just going to go to one of these campaign niches, and I'm just going to type in the test on all this stuff so we can proceed to the next page, so you can see exactly the way this thing works. So you can set this thing, like I said, to do 10 days, 14 days, 30 days, ever how long you want this submission to run, you can do this. So what I'm seeing to be the most effective is I'm running between 10 and 15 day campaigns is what I'm using. So once you do that, all you got to do is just click the next button, and then these are the profiles that you've created. So remember I showed you where we created the email account, and I was explaining that you could have Magic Submitter go out and create all of these different campaigns, or create all these different profiles on all of these Web 2.0 and blogs and social network sites and article directories. So these are all the profiles that you use. So all you have to do, you can create multiple profiles under one project, and you just basically select, because we want variation. We don't want it all going to one profile. So we want to set up several different profiles. That way it looks like it's coming from all these different sources and having complete variation of where our links are coming from. So once we do that, we simply click next, and this is the campaign template. This is what tells Magic Submitter where the links to point to. So like what I was saying here, where I've got the tier 1s pointing at my money site, and then I've got my tier 2 links pointing at my tier 1s, and tier 3 to tier 2, and so on. So this is how that I'm able to do it, is all because of Magic Submitter's campaign wizard and the campaign templates. So you basically can create a new template. It also comes with plenty of templates that you can choose from. But one of the bonuses that I want to give you as part of this promotion that I'm doing is my very own custom-made template for Magic Submitter that I'm having massive success with. And basically, you can load this template up into Magic Submitter, and you'll have the same. You'll be able to use the same template that I'm using. So I just want to show you what this does. So basically, you can click Create a New Template. So let's say you want to have some article submissions. You just drag this over. Let's say you want some blog submissions. You want WordPress blogs, and let's say you want to do like bookmarks. Okay, so you just drag bookmarks, and you can sort these however how you want them. So like let's just say you want all these pointed at the money site. You just drag this over, and then you drag it to the money site. You drag it exactly where you want it to be, and this template will go out, or this campaign template will go out and submit article directories to your money site, blogs to your money site, and submit to these WordPress blogs with links to your money site. Then you could take this bookmarking, and you could use it as a tier 2 link to link to this other stuff right here. So you can link to the blogs. You can also link to the WordPress blogs. So it basically, ever how you want to have your template set up, you can drag more of these bookmarks over here. If you wanted to drag that over and do it like that, and then if you wanted to, go a third tier deep, let's say you wanted to have links pointed at these bookmarking services, you could do that. It's completely at your control. Okay, so this is just something that I'm just demonstrating for you to show you how effective this thing is. So what I've done is I've created my own campaign template, and I've tested this, and it's working really well for me. And I want to give you that if you order through my link within the promotional period that we've got here. So once the clock strikes 0, then this offer goes away. Plus, I'm going to be also throwing in not only just the custom-made campaign template, but I'm also going to be giving you 3 live Q&A coaching calls. Now, normally I charge $1,000 an hour to do SEO consulting. However, you're not going to pay anywhere near that. You're going to get this as a free bonus. You're going to get 3 live Q&A calls from someone that's using the Magic Submitter software every single day. So all you have to do to get these bonuses, to get the custom-made campaign template, to get the 3 live Q&A calls of total value of $3,500, all you have to do is sign up for Magic Submitter by clicking the link below, which is my affiliate link, and I will get you hooked up with these with this campaign template as well as the coaching calls. The coaching calls are going to start next week, and it's going to be one every 30 days. So they will be recorded, so you'll be able to get the live recordings of these calls. Now, there is a catch, though. The catch is that you have to order before the clock strikes 0, or be the first 50 people to take part of this offer. Once 50 people order Magic Submitter through my link, then this promotion goes away. I'll pull the page down. So if you come back and you see that, then know that's what happened. Either the time run out, or I filled the maximum amount of orders that I was going to allow. So what you do once you order, all you got to do is just send me your receipt, forward it on to Derek@SEOblackops.com. That's Derek@SEOblackops.com. Give my team 24 hours to get you set up with the campaign template as well as the coaching calls. We'll send you all that via email. So I look forward to seeing you on the calls. This is Derek Pierce. Take care. Thank you, and I'll talk to you soon.